Kickstart your day with the Ecolution glass microwave popcorn popper. It's a game changer for breakfast or snack time. I love how it pops gourmet popcorn in just minutes. No more waiting around. Perfect for those busy mornings. The dual function lid is a lifesaver. Whether you're using it as a strainer or a lid, it's super versatile. Plus, it's made of temperature-safe glass, so it's safe to pop popcorn right in the microwave without any worries. Upgrade your routine with Ecolution. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Grab yours now and enjoy every bite.